Everyone had a blessed weekend. Check. You guys can hear me, right? What the heck? Check. Okay, there we go. Can you guys hear me now?
Yes.
Let's go. What's up, Greg? What's up, Grizzly? What's up, Team Ball? Thought no one was talking to me. My mic was on mute, not actually on Zoom, but my mic itself went on mute. What's up, everybody? What's up, White Tiger? Just a random Madeline, Big Zo Trades, Louie, Joey. What's up?
Trading with you this morning?
What'd you say, Grizzly?
Where's Gene at?
Oh, Gene's here.
I'm in the back.
Gene's here in the back.
Let's see. You get the longs or the shorts? Shotgun. Reverse.
What's up, Jeremiah? Welcome, bro. 4th day of a million.
Okay, guys, now we touch 85 and 81. Let's see what we can do. Playing hard with this level. It's playing really hard. With these two levels.
I think this one is taking forever to load this morning. Come on. Come on, TOS. Load already. Literally, it's taking forever. It's been loading for 6 minutes now. Let's see if restarting that helps. Let's try that. It's never been the same since they got bought by Schwab. By Schwab.
Taking NQ long, guys, NQ longs. NQ longs to people calls.
NQ longs for Mr. Greg. What was your entry? What was your entry?
228.
Nice. Well, everyone had a great weekend. And a reminder, this week is a short week. We got 4th of July Friday. We have an early close on Thursday. It's a good week, as always, to choose discipline over dopamine. Come on, TOS. Pop up, baby. Come on, baby girl. Here we go. Now it's up. What up, Mr. Gene? Where you going?
11 points. 10 points profit so far. Between that and still holding. Let's see if we can visit the 885 for our level. 885.
NVIDIA with a little sell-off overnight too. NVIDIA with a little sell-off overnight.
I'm gonna be trading something else. Trading some transactions as well. Okay, I'm probably here. I'm gonna still do 110. Maybe I'm gonna re-enter him, so we want green trade. Let's see, I'm gonna re-enter him. Testing again equivalence. And 3835. This time. Package.
Good morning, YouTube and TikTok, both of the live streams. Appreciate y'all being here and hitting that follow button, or if you're in YouTube, hitting that subscribe button. Here soon enough, we will be on full screen. Just got to get the production team in place, got to get a few more things in place. But if you're on TikTok, as a reminder, I have a ton of free value on YouTube. I'm also live there, so if anything ever happens to the TikTok, just know you can go over to YouTube, hit that subscribe button, and go live with me every day there too. The best stream is inside Team Bull. There's no lag, there's full screen share in all of our community, but I'd like to give you guys these streams as well and hopefully help you find a winner. I'm always gonna do my best to help y'all find a winner. Or two winners. Or small losers. Today's trading tip of the day on IG was wait the first 15 minutes to place your first trade. Let the market settle, let the dust settle, let everything relax, and then find the direction the market wants to head in. That was our trading tip of the day. And as a reminder, if you guys are trading on prop firms, Apex is 80% off right now using code JDUN, and Tradeify is 35% off right now using code JDUN as well. Appreciate y'all supporting, getting yourself the best possible discount. Let's work towards those payouts this week, guys. Come on. Let's work towards those payouts. What's up, Mr. Gene? Let's work towards them payouts, Mr. Gene. Money bag, money bag, money bag, money bag.
You said to get money back.
What?
So you said to get money back.
Yeah, I send you some money bags. I got you, bro.
Step up.
The sushi anymore. Where you start looking for a balance on EQ every month.
What is that?
22,780 area.
I like a little lower. I like 750.
Well, I got a zone down to 740, but
Yeah.
I would want this to close above at 780 from an entry.
I like a little lower, but I like that same area you're watching. So we're on the same page there.
See, the 50, we got an hourly value gap there. The middle is 22,780. We also have previously closed at 22,740. The process confirms this for possible demand, so we'll go with if we can find get some aggressive buying in that area.
I'm gonna watch 750 for a bounce as well. It's a short week, so I'm gonna be a little more risk cautious. I was planning on slightly sizing up this week, then I realized it was a short week.
Okay, guys, looking for grand program here. Risk between the last trade. One green, one red. One green, one red. That's it. Moment of truth.
Be cautious. I need a green day. You don't ever want to need anything. I understand everyone wants to be green, but here's the fact of the matter, guys, is that when you need the money trading to pay rent. You need the money trading to feed your dog. You end up trading with emotions. So you need to follow your plan. You need to follow your principles and your process. Then the money will come. I'm not trying to sound aggressive in that, but it's true. You don't need the money. You need to follow your plan. You need to have risk management. Well, yes, sir. If you want to hear Greg clearly, tap into the Discord, bro. We do free Fridays every week. We'll do free Wednesday this week, likely because the market's closed Friday and Thursday's a short day. Sup, Ken? We got our opening range formed. Forgot to draw that out. My apologies. Forgot to draw all of our levels. We got our pre-market low and 15-minute high and low staggered again.
Jaden, why are you looking a little bit lower? Are you looking at the gap fills on the?
What do you say, bro?
Why are you what's making you look a little lower for your entry? Are you looking at the gap fills on SPY QQQ or?
I personally like the hourly demand down there at 750 and that whole psych number, but I can see what you're looking at totally with that fair value gap. I don't think it's bad. I'll probably just wait a little longer. That may result in me missing the move too. We'll see. I wish PLTR would just get a massive move down so I could buy more.
You can price action, just you just take the shorts. Lo de fuera vale ahora, ¿no?
Okay, let's see. We close this orb decent. Let's watch to see. This is 803 at 810, 812. Five. A little more.
So don't get to take the shorts. Price action is pretty.
Come on, a little more. Just waiting. I'm waiting for short confirmation.
Yeah, me too.
That's what all I have my eyes on right now is the shorts. Trying to light size the shorts, everybody. 809. If we close this 5-minute up, I'll either, my max risk on this is above 830, so I have 21 points maximum of risk. Only did a few micros, guys. Did but a third size. So currently down 11 points. If it closes candle up here, I'll likely to stop it early, but I have a hard stopping at 830. And I won't be adding either. Won't be adding either. If you didn't enter, this would be the area. You could stop above 830. Hopefully we don't close this candle up here. If we do, it won't be looking great. It's back at break even. This candle looks okay. We'll see. It did not add. I'm going to keep my stop now above this 821. I'm going to move my stop up a little bit. So I will get stopped if we break this candle strength. It's at 822 to be exact. So 12 points. We might rip up and then we can find another, or I can find it, you can manage it as you fit, but I'll find another entry if we fail that low again. I just don't want to get caught in an aggressive push up when it doesn't technically follow my initial plan. It just stopped me on that move up. So basically break even in terms of P&L. About $200 so far. It's all right. Moved it from 20 points to around 12. We broke that candle high. I'm personally not in it anymore. We might flush down. We can maybe look for a re-entry if we flush below 806. But I'm keeping it very chill on a Monday. I know my stats for Monday. I know that they're historically not my best days, so we're gonna keep it real light. It is what it is, Nigel. As long as that loss is within your parameters, that's cool. Now, if you're oversized and it's too big and it's stressing you out, and that's no bueno. You don't want that. Sorry, guys. 0 for 1 in the day. 12 points. Yep.
Thank you, sure, guys. Thank you, sure. Thank you, sure. 13814. That's it.
I mean, I liked that entry before, but it just didn't work out.
Stop loss is 2283.
Just gonna stay patient, wait, guys. Nothing new from me. Tried the traditional orb on the move and just didn't work out. So I'd say 7 out of 10 times that will work out. This was just one of those that didn't, and managed it accordingly. Managed it accordingly.
need to refresh.
Over 1 today, Mr. Gene. No mummies, right. Kept it really small, but still.
You guys want to review game? What for today, Mr. Jim? And what for today, Steamboat?
Let's see, a little higher volume.
Any change?
Greg, have a good day, man.
You too, man.
Love to see that 750 play out.
Bye-bye.
Love to see that 750 play out. Will it give it to us? I'm not entirely sure, but I'd love to see it play out. How am I seeing Tesla? Whole lot of nothing right now. It's consolidating. No breaks at hourly levels. Not a whole lot in terms of how I trade. It's also a short week, so I know that my edge typically is not in those. It's also Monday, so I got two forces working against me. We'll see. As far as my higher probability setups go, I'd love to see 750 area down to 730 for a bounce. Any trades yet, Gene?
Yeah, that one with you.
Or red to start the day? That's okay. Only, depending on entry, 12, 13 points. Let's pop up to 8:30. I'm going to try shorts one more time. One more time with stops above 847. If we get above 30 here. Try to, whoops. Oh, we got to do this. Okay. Tried a small piece of shorts, everybody. Just tried the shorts up there. There we go. Come on, give us a move below 800. That's what I want to see. If we break above 847, I'll stop. I'm lighter size again. The idea here is if you're on screen shares, we had our 50% retracement here in the midline, pre-market low here. So we break above pre-market low at 850. I'll just be wrong. I'll be flat out wrong. If this ends up being the lower high in the day, then get a nice move. I don't love this wick we're seeing in the 5-minute, but it's worth a try with small size to me. Based on the start of the day trend, so. Got 10 points so far. I'd like to see more though. 10 points so far. I need more though. I haven't taken any trims off, so I've not taken any off. It's the last potential lower high I see. If we break above that pre-market high, then I'll be at 2 lost for the day, 12 points. This one would be 31 to 50, so 19 points. So we'd have room for one more trade, potentially. Don't like how this 5-minute candle's looking though. See anything you like, Grizzly? From that entry, we got 15 points total, but not enough for me to trim with that risk. I wanted at least 1-to-1. So, yeah, I was asking if you had anything you liked so far, or if you see anything you setting up. Oh, you go. If you see a long bro, take it. I don't care.
That previous 5-minute candle wasn't strong.
There's lots of people that just trade with you too. So if you see sun, I don't care. Fade me, bro. Fade me. I hope you're right.
There's not enough confirmation though.
I just looked at it from a perspective of we have our midline, pre-market high, or pre-market low, excuse me. So if we break above that, it's my final shot at shorts. Our daily trend so far has been lower. So if I can put on a little risk, try to catch the lower high, I'll do it.
The only reason I even considered it, it just leveled from my weekly watch list. Big demand I have.
Yeah, you see it, like it, take it, bro. Won't hurt my feelings.
Plenty more trades. Be patient.
Got NFP on Thursday too. It's non-farm payroll week, short week, and it's a Monday.
We also got to think about this. How many times does the market sell off before the fourth?
It's America, baby. Not often. This fricker is going to go stop me, isn't it?
What do you call it?
Still not even. If I lose this again, it won't be over $1,000. But still, just annoying if it does. Volume on that last candle, I would have cut it early had it been a little higher, but just wasn't. Still hanging on for dear life. It's looking like it's gonna hit my hard stop though. Yep, gosh dang it. Still not over 1,000, but 19 points and 12 points. Makes us 31 points on the day. The red. That is annoying. Well, no more shorts for me, guys, until we break that 15-minute low. No more shorts for me. Tried to catch the lower high here. As you can see, tried to catch that lower high. Didn't work out. Hold below 50% retracement in the midline. Or in the pre-market low, excuse me.
No, I haven't taken it trade yet, too. Confirm above this 30-minute range.
Is what it is. Is what it is. Get what you get. You don't throw a fit, right? You manage your risk. You move forward. Got 15 points out of that. Just wasn't enough to trim. Wasn't my 1-to-1 for at least 19. Let's see. Touched into here. 53. I swear, if that really went up and pinged me by 2 points, it'd be salty. Don't we get here? Higher volume, higher body up. Interesting. Yeah, no more shorts for me, guys. Not yet. Good after. If I'm for my third and final trade, if it was a small loser, it'd have to be A+. Either 2 small losers and done. Hopefully one medium-sized winner with good risk reward. If we can get 1-to-1, 30 points. Get close to break even or above, or we hit max loss. We need a remake of Friday. Lost the first two. And then banged on the third. That is correct. A day reminder to size up and make back those morning losses. Not quite. Man, if they give us the flush now, salty. No, I see it, Big Zo. It sucks. I swear, if y'all do it to me now, I'm gonna be salty, bro. Bruh. That's some BS for sure. See, in a traditional sense, you look at this, it looks like we got a nice bear flag forming, failure above the 50%. I'd love to see a short entry and move, flush this trend down. I just can't. Not without confirmation. Appreciate y'all being here, YouTube and TikTok. As a reminder, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, that like button. And if you're trading on funded accounts, if you're a futures trader looking to get funded, remember to trade smart, trade safe, and use code JDUN, J-D-U-N on Apex for 80% off. And Tradeify for 35% off. Apex is the most scalable firm. Tradeify offers straight to funded accounts. Both have incredible value. Both have paid millions and millions of dollars. I love to help keeping you guys learn, level up, and win. So every time you use code JDUN, remember, discipline over dopamine, baby. I'm not 1 for 3 on the day, by the way. No TikTok screen says that. 0 for 2. Oh my gosh. This freaking market, bruh.
But even the volume on this candle, Jeremiah, let's see what it's going to do.
What are you looking at?
I don't see anything right now. Sideways.
I'd love to see us go to low day. Not sure it'll happen, but higher volume. Wake up. Not sure about that. We'll see. Elmo needs to put in overtime. I'm sick or tired of Elmo just sitting around slacking. Almost sold in May and walked away. I guess so. Pal says, screw your cuts. I did. I took 2 trades. They're both losers. One for 12 points, one for 19 points. 0 for 2. 0 for 2. It's all right. This PA ain't it. This PA is not it. Still just over 2 for me. Apex does have a consistency rule, 30%. How about that volume? Less. See, for example, now on our screen shares, you can see if we would have had higher volume on this candle, aggressive buying, I would have looked for a pullback and a longs entry. We don't have that though, so. Appreciate y'all being here, TikTok and YouTube. Make sure if you guys haven't already, you tap in, hit that follow button and that subscribe. Means the world to me. You guys are here with me. Sorry, I am over 2 on the day. 1 12-point loss, 1 19-point loss, but we've kept it small. We've kept it minimalized. We're going to try to get ourselves a winner, but if not, we'll call it red on a Monday. We have a short week. It's a holiday week. We have non-farm payrolls, NFP, and it's a Monday, which is traditionally my worst trading day. So win, lose, or draw, we do it together. Appreciate y'all being here. And make sure if you guys are trading on prop firms, you use code JDUN with Apex or Tradeify. Best possible discount. Yep, when you use code JDUN. Also let me know in chat. If you guys use that code, our code, I always like to give you a big old thank you. It means a lot to me when you guys support. I'll do my best to help you guys get paid out. And when you're trading with firms like Apex, Tradeify, it helps using a code from a big influencer like myself for payout protection. As you've seen, that's not data backed, but when they see that you're trading with Jay Dunn, the big group like Team Bull, they throw some BS with your payout. I'm coming after them. I got y'all's back, and that's a fact. Don't. Man, I don't know. I'm not going to call it yet, but. Oh for 2 on the day, so I got to be picky on my final trade. If I would have had full size in the first trade, I would have been done, but cut it early and lower size. So I got room for one more. If we see something A+. If I don't, I'm just going to call it red on the Monday. I still like the downside. I just keeps faking me out, man. Got a Fed speaker right now too. Fed speaker, short week, Monday. I mean, I had everything lined up against me, bro. Nice job, Jay Quinn. I seen your gains earlier. You got any plans for the 4th, Grizzly Glock?
Not really, man. May grill out. It's too loud. I mean, I love what it stands for, but it's not my favorite holiday. People keeping me up half the night with fireworks for a week.
No, fun fact, until I really got my money right, I would never buy fireworks. So I thought to myself when I was really trying to come up, I was like, why am I lighting my money on fire? Not saying that was the best course of action or that you should do that. I'm just saying for anyone trying to get your money up, if you're trying to save, go watch someone else blow up their money. There's plenty of fireworks shows. There's plenty of people that are willing to blow up their money. That wasn't me when I was on my way up. Seriously, I was trying to save every dollar. I was like, I ain't lighting my money on fire. I'll watch you blow your money up, turn it into pretty colors. I'm good. You feel me? Gosh, I want to go short again so damn bad. It's all a day. 795, 820. Here's the deal. If we get one more pop up, it's the last thing I'll look for. I'll let you guys know if I enter. Look for one more shorts entry. If we break above 54, it would be invalid. I'd like to see a low a day if we get that entry closer to 30. One last try on this pop-up. I'm testing shorts, guys. One last try. This is my final trade for the day. Tested shorts on that pop-up. Better entry. Would be above 30, but it's willing to risk 30 points. Tried shorts one more time. Up there. Final trade. I will be logging. I mean, it ain't even like that, Andrew. We've kept it small, so I'm below my max loss. Over 10 points so far, but we need more out of this. I want low a day. I want low a day out of this trade, guys. I want aggressive move to the downside. 20 points so far, almost. There we go. Come on, give us it below 800. 20 points so far, but I want below 800. All these damn wicks. Am I up? No, I'm not up. It's been chopping for sure. Hard stop was at 54, but we may put it lower now. We'll see. I mean, I would never raise it up from my hard stop area like that at 30 points. Or a little less than 30 points, actually. About 26 points. I'm gonna put my stops back at break even, guys. I'm gonna put them down to break even, so worst case, well, at 1 point. So you know what? I am gonna take off a few down here at 10. Down 8-10. Just took a few off. Stops are at break even, guys. Stops are at break even. At 8, well, just about break even, 828. Right over that candle, 828.25. These fuckers, man. Just ping me again. Got one baby trim off. But still, Got it just about 1-to-1. Still, we'll take it though. Small green, well, baby green. Still red in the day. Let's make that very clear. Got one trim off down there, but I'm still red on the day. So, just can't get follow through my moves. Monday's 1, J Dunn 0. That is right. I mean, I'm glad I got one small winner. Baby winner, I'm not even going to call it small. Still red on the day. Jade Dunyan Rings is not cooking today. I'm not frying. Jade Dunyan Rings is not cooking. But when Bryce had the right idea, we got that move down. There's no follow through. That's a trade that I would take 10 out of 10 times. Silent DJ Unk is crazy. Bro says not only are you red in the day, but you're getting old. That's wild. That's bananas. Y'all are just hitting me left and right today. Say, Jadon, you're going to lose money today. And just a reminder, almost the dirty 30s. The reason for that trade is that we're still holding below the 50% retracement. We had strong red on this move, less than 50%. So on the pop-up, I was looking for a lower high again and a flush lows. We still technically could. I'm not with 2 losses. Gonna risk it. Yeah, for y'all that are over 30, 40, 50, 60, just know I'm fighting for y'all. They call me JD Unk. How was Bezos' wedding? That's crazy. JD Unk is crazy, bro. Price action is so dog water, bro. Captain J Dunderpants? J Donkey Kong? Y'all are crazy. Y'all are crazy. As a reminder, guys, Apex is 80% off right now using code JDUN. Code JDUN. Get the best possible discounts on Apex, up to 20 funded accounts. And when you use code JDUN, you always know I got your back, baby. That and Tradeify offer straight to funded accounts. They have evals that are competitive as well. Use code JDUN for 35% off Tradeify as well. Let's go. If you're trading with my old firm, FFF, Funded Futures Family, you can use code JDUN for evals, and you can also use JDUN Reset on resets if you're trading with FFF still. Captain J Dunderpants. Man, I wish Dumpster was here, bro, for a lot of reasons. One being we never know what penny stocks are cooking anymore. If indices were chopped, we could always say Dumpster. He'd be like, yep, XYZ is up 800%, halted. Crazy. I know.
I think I'm just gonna call it. I think it'll be a no trade day for me. I don't see anything I like.
Yeah.
The only thing I'm gonna watch is a 30-minute range here. We're right close to the middle of it now. Still just right above my hourly demand from my watch list. Weekly watch list. Oh, the current one. A little bit above it. But if I take one team, well, I will post an admin trading floor, so I can talk admin trading floor for you all. Just talk back and forth with it. Look to trade another day. Be back in the morning, see if we can catch something, get some trades.
See you, bro. You know what was freaking awesome was Metallica. Oh my gosh, that show was insane. Best show I've ever been to in my life. Best show I've ever been to. Had Limp Bizkit and Metallica. Let me tell you, Metallica's production was nuts. Just nuts. Oh man. Telling y'all, if y'all get the chance to go, their next tour is going to be in Australia. For my Australians, hop on your kangaroo and head on over to Metallica, baby! Totally worth it. Did I mosh pit? No, I was up in the stands, bro. I'm too old for mosh pits, man. Back when I was like 20, maybe. I was chilling in the stands, vibing, head bobbing. Someone said, I'm Australia, we don't ride kangaroos. I bet Limp Bizkit was awesome back in the 2000, man. L-I-M-P, Biscuit is right here. So fire. Damn, guys. 1 winner, 2 losers, and I am still red on the day. I am not green. Mondays so far have gotten me again. I highly, there's a low chance I take anything else. We'll see. We will see. 2 losers and 1 winner. Mr. Patrick. The YouTube chat's moving now. TikTok, make sure you guys have already tap into the YouTube as well. J-Dunn Trades, make sure y'all subscribe, baby. Let's go. Use code J-Dunn, baby. On Apex and Tradeify. Come on now. Hey, we're getting some new folks here. Come on. Let's go. Hey, you forgot to go look at the picture of when I bought it. When you got frozen steaks, you gotta unthaw them, man. You gotta unthaw them. Therefore, the color changes, man. You like the Wagyu? 150 a pop, baby. Man, this short's really gonna go without me, huh? Hey, just know, only one person has never promoted a prop firm that shut down and rug pulled. Just saying. Just saying. The only firm I was a part of was FFF, and guess what? I sold my equity, and they're still moving and paying traders. So use code JDUN when you want discipline over dopamine. And to rock with someone who's never promoted a prop firm that is rug pulled ever. Who? What prop firm rug pulled? Which one? Who promoted Fast Track? Not Jay Dunn. Oh, not Jay Dunn. Which one? He promoted a prop firm the rug pulled. Which one? Which one, baby? You can't tell me. Who promoted a prop from the rug pull? Not Jay Dunn. FFF is still in business, baby. They're still paying traders. $8 million paid. I sold my equity 4 months ago, but guess what? They're still in business. And you pay through PayPal and cards, so guess what? It's impossible to rug pull, doofus. You can't rug pull when you take payments through PayPal and credit card. You just charge back. Yeah, that's what I thought. When you get with the facts, it's silence. I appreciate y'all being here. Make sure you tap in at that subscribe button. I'm trying to find y'all another winning trade, and we had 1 winner, 2 losers today. Sorry about the 2 losers. I don't ban the smack talkers. We just be chilling. We just be chilling. I'm down for the boxing match. You let me know. Yep, today I did have more losers than winners. That is right. I had 2 losers and 1 winner. That is absolutely right. But hey, guess what? We got to bring in, if you're a hater in here, that's fine. But when I get my days where I have 2+ winners that are both bangers, you let me know. You gotta show that love too. Make sure you use code JDUN, code JDUN, when you're trading on Apex and Tradeify. 80% off Apex, 35% off Tradeify. I'll always do my best to help y'all choose discipline over dopamine. If you're on TikTok, make sure y'all tap into the YouTube as well. I got you. Oh my gosh, how do you say his name? Lila Tupatura? J-Bone, that's a good one. All right, Team Bull, we still got a little bit longer. I'm gonna head out a little early today, but we got a bit longer. This price action got me this morning on NQ. I got a lot of fans in here today, I see. They say, Jay, down here a scammer. How? Because I promoted a prop from the rug pulled. Oh, that wasn't me. I forgot because Jay Dunn's never promoted a prop from the rug pulled. That's right. Oh, that's totally right. Because Jaden got caught paper trading. Oh, that also wasn't me. Oh, well, because they said you were. Yeah, hush. Come on here every day. Win, lose, or draw. We do it together, baby. I want you guys to trade discipline and live discipline. That's what I do. That's what we do. Yep, we're live every single day. Make sure y'all tap in. You can also DM me on Instagram at JDunTrades if you want access to the Discord. Yup. Trust me, when we go off facts, it's silent. It's silence, baby. Oh, Team Bowl, Team Bowl, Team Bowl. Y'all just need to tap into these lives every day, and you'll start trading more disciplined. Slow price action. Slow price action. Woo! Good, let them talk. There's a reason. There's a reason when people talk about you. You must be winning, right? Scamming. Interesting. So I don't recall ever promoting a firm that shut down or rug pulled. How about you? Last time I checked, FFF was still paying, and I haven't been an owner for over 4 months. Last time I checked, they were still taking payments on card and PayPal. Huh. No shutdown, no rug pull. Hasn't been me. Maybe someone else. Hasn't been me. Only about steaks and retarded. Oh gosh. People say all this stuff about FFF when they're still paying, and payments are only through card and PayPal, so both you can charge back on. And they're still taking payments to this day and paying out. They paid out, what, $8 million? Let's see. Let's see what they've paid out so far. Just on Rise, almost 8 mil. All right, Steaks and Steak was pretty funny. I'll give you that. Even though we soaked the steaks in water, they changed color. So yeah, the picture looked like shit, but you go look at what they looked at like before. It wasn't like that. Don't know. I try so hard and got so far. In the end, Donald. So, Mr. Gene.
Hello.
What up, dog?
It's up.
We are red on the day so far, my friends. Red on the 2 losses and 1 win. We do this every day together, guys. Win, lose, or draw. It's all together. Appreciate y'all being here, hitting that subscribe button. Got a ton of value on the channel. We are down $622 today. $622. You guys can see there. Live account. We trade real money. Real money up in here, baby. $622 red on the day. There. You guys get to see my redness. Few doll hairs. Launch money. We are breaking out of this channel, technically speaking. I mean, I'm likely done for the day. I'm taking my red. Mondays are statistically my worst days. I showed it on YouTube, TikTok. There's a reason he's watching me, baby. Use code JDUN. Code JDUN. Why are you obsessed with me, bro? We just be chilling. Win, lose, or draw. Wagyu and FFF. Well, haven't been an owner of FFF for 4 months. Over 4 months now, actually. They're still in business, still paying traders. Say what you want to say, they pay. And 2, my Wagyu was BMS 12, baby. I think that's what the scale is called, BMS. Is that the Wagyu scale? BMS 12. Go look at the picture before it's soaked in water. That shit was fire. I showed you my P&L. I'm down $622. I'm red. Okay, talk your shit. I'm red. It's fine. Talk it. Don't. I'm likely taking no more trades. I'm going to start my Monday, my week on a red note. Had one winner called out. Hey, father, they were frozen. My stakes were frozen. They came in that day. My boy, whose parents own, well, technically family owned, he has ownership too, but they own a meat market here in Denver. Well, outside of Denver. They're frozen, so I don't want to eat them that day. We're going to soak them in some water, let them unthaw. What's wrong with that? Man, I tried those shorts twice. 3 times. 1 was a winner, 2 were a losing. 2 were a loser. Hey, our lives on YouTube are growing though. Make sure y'all tap in and hit that subscribe button, baby. I gotta change it to 1 for 3. That's right. That's right. We are 1 for 3. Again, just like Friday, except for I'm not green today. One more. Let's see how this volume turns out in this 5 minute. If we get the move we were finally looking for all morning, I'm going to be salty. Like, all morning I was looking for that aggressive flush of low day. All morning. All morning I was looking for that flush. Dun. Top Step does not do discounts often. This live is not pre-recorded, I can tell you that much. Y'all all think trading is a competition. I just be chilling, trying to make my bread every day. I'm vibing. The highlight of my day is not trading. I like trading. I've been trading for a long time. It's not all I think about. Yeah, here you are, Ramsey, on my stream. Appreciate you being here. Hit that subscribe button, and thanks for the engagement. You like my cell phone streaming? Hey, a banger's a banger, whether it's on a professional setup or it's on a cell phone. We're live streaming on TikTok and on Discord. Still nothing else for me, Team Bull. Still nothing else for me, Team Bull Familia. How's your day ended up, Gene?
Red.
Red, me too. Slightly.
I didn't think that one.
One winner, two losers. I know, that's what I'm saying. I bet this is going to be one of our most viewed lives. Make sure y'all use code JDUN if you like discipline over dopamine. If I've helped you in your trading, if you enjoy coming live with me every day, make sure you use code JDUN on Apex and Tradeify. Oh, it's going to finally give that move, huh? I've already taken 3 trades today, so. Did not take the third middle line. So now this looks like it wants to go test that low a day. Broke below structure, close the candle, test it up. Maybe now, of course, it gives it. Your card got declined at a restaurant. Oh, that's a new one. That's hilarious. Interesting, because my big ass tips are in cash, baby. Y'all are funny. 826. I likely won't take anything, guys. I'm likely done. That's a new one, Tony. You gotta send me that video. I'd love to see it. Maybe I'll learn something about myself. Yeah, tag me. It's hilarious. Nothing new for me, guys. Nothing new. Don't. That's hilarious, Tony. Send that to me. Or Brett. That's hilarious. 1K on $100 bill is not enough. Need more. Don't know. The trading's tough. I think I say more than anyone. Trading's one of the hardest things in the world. I mean, look at the stats. 95% of people are going to fail. That is hilarious. Man, that Metallica show was awesome. I'll tell y'all what. They're shredding still, bro. Shredding. And we just be vibing here. Tap in every day. It's free. Win, lose, or draw. We're doing it together, baby. Every single day. Win, lose, or draw. Win, lose, or draw. We're getting after it. There we go. In just a few minutes, I'm going to head out, though. It's about time for the gym. Nanny cam. No, nanny cam's up in my kid's room. But make sure you use code JDUN. Code JDUN in Apex and Tradify. Apex has paid more than any prop firm. Over 500 million, half a billion. I will never DM you first on any socials. The only socials I DM on is my verified IG, at JDunTrades. Promoting Danny. All you can say is FFF, but FFF is still in business. You have nothing else to say besides, he was part of FFF. Promoted Danny. Well, FFF is still in business and has paid $8 million. Who has promoted firms that have shut down and who hasn't? I've never promoted a firm that shut down. To this day. Just saying. Y'all ain't got nothing to say about that. Silence. Silence. Yup. FFF equals, I don't care what it equals numerically. Y'all forget I sold my equity in FFF, and even if I hadn't, they're still paying. Like, even if I was a part of FFF ownership to this day, it wouldn't matter, because they're still paying. I sold it over 4 months ago. But you guys can use code JDUN. If you guys want to go milk my old firm, use code JDUN. Just like Apex and Tradify, the best possible discount always comes with code JDUN, and it represents Discipline over dopamine, baby. Come on. I will never start another prop firm ever again. Never. Never. I'll be an affiliate. You can use code JDUN at the ones I'm affiliated with. But I'll never start another one. Never. Apex has paid over 500 million. All right, y'all, it's been 2 hours. 2 hours, y'all. About a mob out of here, my friends. It's been 2 hours. It's Monday, ending the day red, my friends. 1 winner, 2 losers, ending the day red. If we would have continuation on my second trade, might have gotten back to break even, agreeing, but. Well, it depends. If you didn't follow the rules, you're not getting paid out, damn. I haven't seen your account, so I wouldn't know. But there is rules you have to follow. It's not just free money. All right, y'all. God bless. Trade smart, trade safe, Team Bull. I'll see you guys later, all right? Maybe for Power Hour. Maybe for Power Hour. All right, y'all. God bless and peace. I'll see you guys later. All right, YouTube and TikTok, make sure if you guys haven't already, you tap in and hit that follow button, hit that subscribe button. Trade live every single day, Monday through Friday. Have a ton of value on the YouTube, ton of value on the socials. And if you have any questions, you can always DM me on Instagram at JDunTrades. JDUN Trades is the only place I answer DMs, verified with 211K followers. So I'll see y'all later. God bless. Peace. Adios, YouTube. God bless y'all. Peace. Use code JDUN on Apex and Tradeify. Come on.